clutch gear yan. Kasabante ka lang naman. Di ba? Wala na clutch. Cheat code. Dito masasabi ko, cheat code ang e-clutch. Napaka. Nice. Hi guys, Sawadee Cup. Mark of the M36 Moto here. At we are here at Aray. Aray Helmet Warehouse pala, I see. So actually, hindi, nakita ko lang sa meron pala dito. But iba yung pakay natin for today. And tara, i-surprise natin kung ano ba yung pakay natin for today, for this afternoon. Sana may maabutan pa ako. Let's go. Hey guys, we're here. One of the biggest Honda Big Wing, I think Big Wing Bangkok. And ano meron sa Big Wing? Let's go. Ayan guys, ito. Pro Honda dito Ayan Honda, exclusive for Honda Big Wings. Oh wow, nice. I don't know kung makakapag-test drive tayo today. Laki. Honda Big Wing nga ni. Holy crap. For a Honda owner, ito yung ayaw mo mangyari. Shit. Saklap. ADV 350 pa naman. And this one, what happened here? This one also. Putik, nakalo pa yun, AR Racing. Shift. What happened here? Kaya lagi tatandaan, ride safe guys. Focus on the road and not for the hype. Oh nice. Oh yun. Ay, sweet. Honda Big Wing Bangkok. Ganda naman dito. Oh nice. Baka tapos na. Uy, may Honda EV charger Ganda naman mga Honda dito. Oh nice. Yung Honda V engine. Tama ba? Ayan ang engine ng RCV. Crap. Ganda. Hi guys, sadly, yung itatry ko na bike got an accident. So, unfortunately, hindi na siya natatry. But since we're here already, actually, hindi dito yung test ride event I need to go somewhere else. So, yeah, magbo-bolt na lang ako. I didn't expect na doon magta-test ride But, I will try na lang din yung, kung hindi man si BR650, but yung CB version, So, if i-feature, itatry, paano ba? Hindi ko pa siya natatry sa atin sa Pilipinas Pero, dito pa first time matatry and I hope maging maganda. Actually, itatry natin yung e-clutch ng CB. So ayun, hintayin ko lang yung bolt papunta. Pero ayun enjoy niyo muna to. Ang ganda na Big Wing dito. Ganito yung mga Honda sa atin. Ganda. Yung showroom. Para kailangan kong bumalik dito guys. Nice, ganda na ito guys. Sold out na. So chances ito yung matetest natin doon. Sana may mabutan pa ako. Alaki guys habang hinihintay natin. Honda. Malapit sa loob natin to Honda. Ganda guys Dito babalik tayo dito. Mga ports alam na. Goods. Dito pala Ayun pa guys laki Oh my god. Baka nandyan na yung rider ko. Ayun guys Shift. Magugustuhan tayo. Uy, Goldwing oh. Sure to, magugustuhan ni Kuya to. Ayan oh. Honda. Iba ang Honda talaga. Sobra. Nice strike. Uy, alam na this. Honda Big Wing. Hi guys, dito yung place noong sa Big Wing event. Dito pala siya. Okay. So, let's see. Ayun.
มันไม่ใช่รถออโต้เหมือนที่พี่เคยเห็นพวก300 350อะไรพวกนี้ไม่ใช่
Ayan guys,
รถมันมีเกียร์
nag-explain sa kung paano
เราส
from
ตาร์ทรถ
Honda.
ได้เนี่ยมันมี
Diba talaga pag nagano Honda oh, talagang safety.
แบบนี้
Ganda tunog eh.
วิธีการใช้งานของตัวเริ่มต้น
So we have here tons of ZX Ben 500.
มันจะมีคำว่า
Of course, okay, it's the Rebel 1100. And of course, ito, CB. And then that one. And ayun, isang 500 hour. Nice. Okay, nauna na sila. Ayun o, Honda E-Clutch test ride. Nice. So, bakit siya maganda? I mean, iba kasi yung system niya, or iba yung mechanism niya compared with the quick shifter, no? So, I'll try to explain sa the best na pagkakalam ko. Okay? But basically ito lang siya. No? Yung e-clutch na to is parang ano yan eh, added sa gilid like actuator na ayun, magkakaroon ka ng automatic na clutch. So parang basically in basic terms, yung manual pwede mong maging full automatic without pressing the clutch lever. Okay, first batch guys. Nice. Ito. Ito. Exciting.
เหมือนเบาะมันถูกให้ถูกบอกไว้แบบเบาะเหรอ
Okay. Ganda rin ng CB ano, 500 oh. Okay.
ออกตัวได้เลยจะออกตัวไวตัวช้ามันอยู่ที่คันเร่งของเรานะครับ
So sinasabi lang na
จะออกตัวได้เกียร์ 1
hindi mo na kailangan i-press yung clutch.
ก็ได้นะครับ
Automatic na siya papasok.
ตัวเนี้ย
Ang galing. Ayan guys, we're here. Okay. So testingin natin to guys. Oh, di ba? Complete gear. Alright. Tingnan natin to. So on natin. Ay, naka-engage yung automatic naka-engage yun eh. Ayan. E-assist. Okay. And then, start.
Start.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Pwede siya.
Rest.
Okay. Then ito yung guys, so ano, ipipress yung
Yeah.
first gear. Ayun na, wala akong hawak ko. Hindi na yun guys. Oh, why? Oh. Okay. Naka-side stand kasi tayo eh. And then, papakita natin. Ayun na guys, wala akong ano. Yun. Okay. Ayun guys, naka-first gear yan eh. Masabante ka lang naman ito. Oh, di ba? Wala na clutch. Cheat code. Dito masasabi ko, cheat code ang ano, e-clutch. Napaka. Nice.
ที่เวลาเรากดเกียร์
2,000 years later.
Okay, yun na yung last batch. Ay, dumating na sila. Ayun, so guys, for the verdict, ito CB 650. Ayan. So I hope yung CBR 650 yung na-test ride natin, but happy naman tayo na testing natin yung CB 650 that Yun yung first time natin, no? Makapag-test ride ng Honda. Sa atin kasi ang hirap eh. Ang hirap makapag ng test ride eh. Pero yun nga, so ano yung e-clutch? So basically yung difference siya sa parang same analogy siya ng quick shifter. But si e-clutch is Honda technology na yun nga, no? Saan yung pwede natin example? Kasama tayo dito. Yeah. Ito, di ba? Ito yung e-clutch. Ayan yung e-clutch, right? Di ba? So, ano siya eh, parang kinakabit siya. Ayan, no? So, before wala yan, di ba? Normal lang, may kita niya, normal, no? Wala. But then, ginawa ni Honda, ito, yung e-clutch na to. Consist of gears yan, no? Pag makikita nyo naman yan sa internet, eh. Consist of mga planetary gears. Then, meron siyang actuator. Meaning, actuator, meron siyang motor na para nagmi-means na mag shift ng gear, meaning may mechanical lang nangyayari, no? Kaya nakakapag-shift tayo. So ito yung parang clutch, yung clutch cable eh. Ayan. So difference sa quick shifter eh. Yung quick shifter kasi I think you need to press pa rin yung clutch, then kailangan mo sa first gear, no, kailangan mo pa rin ang clutch, and kapag mag-decelerate ka or sa low RPM, you need to press the clutch lever kasi mag-stall yung bike kapag hindi. Pero ito, yung Honda e-clutch is automatic siya, no? Parang automatic na siya nag-shift. No need to squeeze the clutch lever. Parang sabi ko nga, cheat code na Honda. Kasi guys, imagine yung big bike, para na siya semi-automatic. If familiar kayo sa Honda Wave, yan na siyang Honda Wave or yung XRM na hindi na kailangan ng clutch. Mag-shift ka na lang by foot. So parang ganun din yung idea niya. Kinaganda kasi as in hindi ka talaga hindi ka mamamatay ng makina. Then of course, sa mga fanatic ng manual pa rin, pwede nyo pa rin siyang i-shift. Meron dito na selection na pwede mo siyang i-shift to manual naman. And then by default, naka-on na si e-clutch. Ayun. So, kumbaga, na siya, pag switch off mo yung parang yung susian, no? Tapos pag switch on mo ulit siya, mag-engage, automatic na naka-engage yung e-clutch. So, ano ba yung advantage ng e-clutch? So, most likely, ang advantage niya is parang easy for the streets. Pwede na for everyday. Hindi ka na mangangalay yung left kaka-clutch, lalo na pag sa traffic. Talagang smooth na talaga siya, smooth driving. Ideal for city riding. And then plus pa na magaan yung mga bikes na big bikes ng Honda eh. Actually magaan, kaya. We're just happy na nakapag tayo ng e-clutch. And info pala, no, ang plan pala ni Honda is lahat na ipoproduce nila na big bikes is naka-e-clutch na. I don't know if other countries sa atin kung ganun yung magiging policy, but here in Thailand ganun na. So inuubos na lang yung D-clutch. Lahat na is naka-e-clutch. Ayun, nagpapakam na sila. So guys, if you like this kind of video, alam nyo na. And lagi nyo tatandaan, focus on the ride and not for the height. Until our next vlog guys. See ya.